Dear students, in this video I would like to draw your attention. How did I learn spoken English? What I did for learning spoken English. Dear students, I would like to take you to in 2004 when I was in class 10th. I got supplementary in mathematics. I was weak in mathematics, and in class 11th I didn't score good. But after coming to class 12th, I started changing my life. I got confidence by my teachers. Many teachers guided me. Bhanu, you are careless. Now you should change your life. And after getting motivation from my teachers, I made a plan that why am I not changing? What should I do for that? Then one of my best teachers, Pritesh Ji Adhikari, he guided me to take English literature in college. I had history, geography and Sanskrit in 11th and 12th. I took English literature at the place of Sanskrit in college. So my subjects were history, geography and English literature. And that credit goes to my sir. Because of him, my life got changed. There were many teachers apart from him. Mohan Singh Ji sir were there. Ramesh Ji, he was the principal of our school. He was also great motivator, guided me. Dear students, after coming to the college or after getting admission in college, when I took English literature, I decided that I should join one of the spoken centers, and my father suggested me to go to ABC Spoken Center in Banswara. I joined that spoken center, and dear students, amazing experience. I feel shy when I share that experience. Means I was not able to utter a single sentence in English. I didn't know the difference between who are you and how are you when I got admission there, and I didn't know there was a line written on the wall that believe in yourself is the first step to success. The meaning of that line I came to know after 3 months of joining of that spoken class. And one more thing, there was written one sentence, please remove your shoes. I didn't know the meaning of that sentence. Now you could imagine that how I was in English. But I kept trying, kept learning, kept doing practice, and after 6 months I started developing myself. I used to speak before mirrors. I used to speak alone. There was nobody at my home. I used to speak with he goat and she goat. Now you would surprise that, my goodness, sir, used to speak with animals. How it is possible? Yes, I used to do that. I knew that no reply will come from them. But I used to speak to whom I should speak. Then I also made one habit to speak with my mother. I used to speak one sentence in English, one sentence in Wagdi, one sentence in English, one sentence in Wagdi. Then my mother came to know that what he wants. The same thing I kept doing with my all family members, and I started getting result. So dear students, I would request you not to pay attention on people, what people are thinking, what people are saying about you. If they are laughing, let them laugh. You do not have to bother about those people who do not want to see your success. Ignore them. You have to respect your parents, your teachers, your parents, your mother and father, that's all, and your teacher, and God is there with you. No need to think about others. If you develop yourself, if you groom yourself, the success will come to you. But do not have to worry. Keep doing practice. Practice makes man perfect. And if I am teaching you by my videos, you can see my playlist. Every day I am making videos, I am sharing on YouTube. If you watch these all videos, you will get confidence, and the day will come you will able to speak in English. I am teaching now the basic sentences, basic daily routine, basic introduction. Slowly and gradually I will increase my matter there. I will bring some advanced sentences as well. But before that, you need to get confidence. On initial level, you have to think in a positive manner to achieve success. And success, just to achieve success is what? Just to think for success is just like to achieve success. You will be succeeding in your life. The day will come, you will speak in English. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.